Our dog of the week is Bella. Bella is a 5-year-old treeing walker coonhound lab mix. She is a super friendly girl who loves to spend time with her people and loves wrestling with her dog friends. Come meet her at the shelter today. Our cat of the week is Smokey. Smokey is a 16-year-old large male kitty. He's lived outside as a barn cat, but is now ready to settle down in a loving home. Smokey is a calm and affectionate guy who loves pets and snuggles and gets along with both cats and dogs.